Are you afraid that someone's going to steal your ideas and you want to protect your ideas? Watch this video because I'm going to show you what to do instead. I get these emails all the time from people just like you. They're telling me they don't know what to do, they're fearful, and so they're not doing anything. I'm like, what? Yes, I get these emails and people say, look, I don't know what to do, I'm fearful, and I don't want to do anything. Well, I can tell you, if you are fearful that someone's going to steal your ideas and you don't know what to do and you don't do anything at all, I can guarantee it doesn't really matter if you're fearful or not. If you have a good idea, sooner or later, you're going to see your idea on TV or on the store shelf and you're going to wonder, what was I thinking? Don't let that happen because it's happened to me, and if you have a good idea, it's going to happen to you. I can almost guarantee it. What I want you to do is realize there's things that you can do to protect yourself that are really easy to do, and it doesn't really require you doing a lot of work. There it goes, you guys. So what can you do to protect yourself if you're fearful that someone is going to steal your ideas? First of all, you want to find those companies that love us inventors. Yeah, you want to find those companies that embrace open innovation. You want to find those companies that want to work with us. You want to find those companies that have a good track record of working with us inventors. There it is. That's the best protection you can possibly have. Those companies realize we need new ideas. We need ideas from people like you. We might have designers in the back, they're doing a great job, but that's not enough. We want to open the doors for people like you and me to submit ideas to them so they can stay competitive. They know today it's all about being innovative, being first, and having good ideas. So that's why those doors have opened. Find those companies that do embrace the word, James put it down there, the word open innovation, meaning they've opened their doors for people like us to submit ideas to them. Okay, so how do you find these companies? All right, companies that embrace open innovation, you can find them. In fact, the best thing to do is find a company you think your idea might fit into their product line. It's a good match. Reach out to them and ask them, do you work with us inventors? There you go, you just ask them. Sometimes you can look on their website and they'll talk about them working with inventors. Perfect. Make sure they have a track record. Make sure they can explain to you their process. Make sure they can show you social proof they'd work with us. Here's the other thing you can do. Make sure whatever company you're reaching out to is on social media. If you're not on social media, that's a red flag for me. Also make sure that when you look at the products they sell today on Amazon, look at how they treat their customers. Look at their reviews and make sure they've got good products and they're treating their customers fantastic. If they don't treat their customers good, they probably won't be treating you very well. Okay, those are two things you could do. So find the companies that want to work with you. Best protection there is, bar none. I don't care what you do, it's the best protection. Number two, build a relationship, reach out to them, ask about the process. Ask them, can they show you some ideas they've licensed from some other inventors? You guys, kick the tires, right? Make sure they have social proof that they do work with us. And make sure they have no complaints. You can always type in on Google the name of the company, complaints and lawsuits, and see what comes up. And if you see a lot of stuff that doesn't look great, avoid them and find the other company. Now, I still know that you're going to be a little bit, hey, how do I protect my idea? Okay, great. I get it. I want you to file a provisional patent application. I talk a lot about it. It's called a PPA. And you can file it yourself. It's fairly easy to do. And it gives you patent pending status for 1 year. That's fantastic. That means you can put patent pending on your video, on your sell sheet. When the company asks you, have you protected? You can say, yes, I've got a patent pending, a provisional patent application filed. It's wonderful. You guys, it's such an easy thing to do. And you'll probably sleep at night if you do it. So do it and learn how to do it well. We have a program at InventRight called Smart IP, where we teach people how to do it. And we'll put a link down below so you can take a look at it. But I don't care how you do it. Just do it so you're in the game. If you're not in the game and you have a good idea, you will see it sooner or later. And guess what? You just ripped yourself off. So don't let that happen. Okay, find the companies that's got a good track record, that want to work with you, that have social proof, they work with inventors, right? Make sure you've got good marketing material, make sure you've got a good idea that fits their product line, do all the stuff that we talk about on this channel, then get in the game of innovation. And don't let fear stop you from participating in the biggest game in the world. Don't let that happen to you. All right, this is Stephen Key. Thank you for watching. Woo, got it. Went on a rant this time. I will see you next time. And as Andrew always says, keep inventing.